The 12 cranial nerves in the body are olfactory nerve, optic nerve, oculomotor nerve, trochlear, trigeminal, abducens, facial, vestibulocochlear, glossopharyngeal, vagus, accessory, and the hypoglossal nerve. Now we have a very cool mnemonic to remember this, which goes like, on occasion our trusty truck acts funny. Very good vehicle anyhow. So the first three are words or nerves that start with the letter O. Then we got two T's, and A, F, V, G, V, and A, H. So we got three O's, two T's, two A's, and two V's. Now it could be confusing as to which O will come before and which A is going to come before. And so in order to remember the three O's, I got this method where it goes like O for olfactory, and nose, we got only one nose and we got two eyes. So the first cranial nerve is related to the single nose. Olfactory is the first cranial nerve. Then we got two O's, oculomotor and optic. Which one comes before? We have optic, which goes like OP, and oculomotor OC. Alphabetically, OC should come before OP, but here it's a reverse order. So OP, optic, comes before OC, oculomotor. Then the same goes with TRO, trochlear, and TRI, trigeminal. Alphabetically, trigeminal TRI should come before trochlear TRO. But here it's in reverse order. TRO comes before TRI. So 2, 3, and 4, 5 are in reverse alphabetical order. Then abducens. A for abducens, the sixth cranial nerve. Should it be accessory? If you ever get confused in that, remember abducens is a shorter word. It has less number of letters compared to accessory. So this comes before. F is quite easy to remember because there's a single F over here. F for facial nerve. Then vestibulocochlear, 8th, glossopharyngeal, 9th, 10th is vagus. Now if you would ever confuse between vestibulocochlear and vagus, and the way to remember it is the 10th cranial nerve. Vagus is a 5-letter word, and when you say vagus nerve, it's a 10-letter thing. Vagus and nerve, 5 plus 5. So that's the 10th one. Vestibulocochlear nerve is nowhere near 10 letters. And then we have A for accessory, that's the 11th one, and hypoglossal nerve. Now the next thing we would like to memorize is which one of these is a sensory nerve, which is a motor nerve, and which is a mixed nerve, that is both sensory and motor. So the mnemonic for that goes like, some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter more. Some say SS, marry money, MM, but my BM brother says BS, big brains BB matter more, MM. S stands for sensory, M stands for motor, and B stands for both sensory and motor. Olfactory and optic are sensory nerves. Oculomotor and trochlear are motor nerves. The fifth, trigeminal, is a mixed nerve, both sensory and motor. The abducens, the sixth one, is a motor nerve. The seventh one, facial nerve, is a mixed nerve, that is both sensory and motor. The eighth, the vestibulocochlear, is a sensory nerve. And ninth and 10th are both mixed nerves, that is glossopharyngeal and vagus both have motor and sensory components. And the 11th accessory and the 12th hypoglossal are both motor nerves. I hope this was really easy for you to remember. Some say marry money, but my brother says big brains matter more. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more.